Imagine. Imagine. Hello my amazing people, welcome back again to our channel Commenters Analyzer TV. My people, we don't carry another one come again for inside life. Now this one for the happen, my amazing people. This matter we want to talk today, and the video one go play for now audio one and one listing now from Sarah T Boss TV show. Now this thing for happen now between her with her ex-best friend. My people, I don't dey tell you now say social media not be where they for the make friend. Una no believe am. Imagine who be believe am say Kate go travel, go Spain. He go buy ticket from Belgium. He go Spain, go follow his ex-best friend, make casino, make issue. My people, what you not think about this video? I go play the audio. Give una more listen to the audio, and me una not fail to drop una comment. What you not think about this audio? Please, if you know say you never subscribe to this channel, not fail to subscribe on your notification bell in case whenever I drop any video, una will receive our video. God bless you. Subscription is free, in case you don't know. My busy people, I would like to play the audio. Give una more listening how Kate stay buy ticket, go Spain, go follow his ex-best friend, go make case for courts. At the end of the day, according to Sarah, at the end of the day, court can't disappoint them. How Kate be wants to dey fight outside of the courts. Imagine to make friend nowadays, person dey fear because not be all friend be friend. Not be all friend be friend. See rubbish when Kate dey talk say about in my food when you eat. Which food you give am? Food for abroad dey there. How much be food? €2, €5. Then you take the my people. Before na make friends, more than they look friends, one na they make because not be all friend be friend, especially all those who wear all those one wear short. More na they very very careful. Any woman wear short, more na they run for them. They too like wahala. So my people, I would like to play the audio for na more na listening. I respect Sarah today. People they write for comment section says why Sarah no fight? Why she go fight? I respect her. She know wetin she dey do. For now mind now say Sarah as you make math rich. No. Sarah with mommy love never get issue before. They don't get issue before. They fight. But Sarah know why she keep Kate quiet. Social media saga of 18 na tell me I tell you. But Kate and mommy love can't take to another thing. Our Benin people when they do saga can't take the saga to another level. Of when you tell me anything, I will carry you go court. I dey share these people, share my people. So let's go to the audio. More play the audio. More na hear wetin happen. When are they here?
Winning. That no case, shame my disgrace. Shame my disgrace. Shame my disgrace. And when winning, my people, the court was not celebrated. It was not celebrated. From all the way from Belgium.
Now that one fear me pass. Just buy ticket from Belgium, go Spain, go make casino according to Italy with your ex-best friend. Now no see say friends not dey social media, my people. Friends not dey social media. No be only social media. No more friends. no more friends again. Imagine somebody just buy tickets from Belgium, come enter flight or na bus, he enter go Spain, go make my people are the shame.
Nothing.
All the name of you, all the name of you, na make dem dey do all these things. All the name of say na me go win. I'm coming.
Nothing. For nothing. Shame. Winnie. They did not celebrate nothing. From all the way from waiting they talk. Waiting they talk. Riata. Shame.
Na dey hear.
What did they do me? Nothing. Shame.
Obi akpo. Yeah, Obi akpo people.
What did they talk for court? Riata.
Okay.
You go lose them the flag of Shame. What did they talk? What did they talk? Shame. I record everything. Let's go and play it. Let's go and play the record.
All the name of you, na make all these things. Na make Kate just from Belgium go Spain. You don't forget when Sarah dey fight for you, this woman. You don't forget when Sarah dey chest down for you.
Open my talk. Guys, come the show now. You come the show. They say frustration. God. My people, my battery off. Yeah, go charge my phone. They come.
When Kate dey show lawyer say she dey open kpekus for Facebook. When she dey open kpekus for Facebook, no be Kate friend that time. Why Kate as a friend, why you not correct your friend say you not supposed to dey open your kpekus for Facebook? When be say na now you can't fit come out dey mock her say she dey open kpekus, she dey pull hand for her kpekus. When e dey pull hand for her kpekus that time, that same hand wey she dey pull for kpekus, no be that hand you and her take dey eat. When you almost chook your hand for that girl nyash one day for live video, now you dey judge her because she no be your friend again. You just wan bring her down. You just wan see that girl say you don deal with her. Oh, now Kate don win. I dey shame for Kate. See two old women, mothers, two old women wey be mothers. Na go court. Wetin una wan go talk? Say you and Kate, you and Sarah get issue. You don una get issue for Facebook. Now you don carry Kate, carry Sarah come court. Una be think say una go win, more una come dey celebrate una sef for Facebook. So my people, more lis ten more to this audio. More na hear wetin Sarah talk. Say dem no even see judge for eyes. Kate just waste money.
My people, my battery off. Yeah, go charge my phone. They come. Make una help me tell them. Make them tell una. Waiting they talk. We don't see judge. I don't see judge for why. Waiting carry us go court different. Waiting can take you going to talk different. The lawyer was like, judge not go even give us that. All this one when they talk. You don't give us that. Then they talk to me. I do not respond to the guy. My lawyer said no. Make I not respond to them.
You even do am well, Sarah. You Sarah do am well when you not take answer them because you dey court. As you just pretend like say nothing, you no even hear wetin dem dey talk. Na im better pass. Because I see when Sarah, when Kate hit you for outside, you just keep am quiet. For their mind now, they will think say Sarah when they rake. You no come get mouth stay talk. Na lie. No be say Sarah no get mouth stay talk. As Sarah just keep them quiet, na im better pass. as Sarah keep those women, those mothers, two mothers quiet, na better pass. Now wow, I dey shame for these people. I dey share their shame. I dey share their shame. For their mind now, they'll say na they mature. So my people, wetin una think about this video? Wetin una think about Kate, mommy love, and Sarah? Who dey talk truth between them? Na Sarah dey talk truth or na Kate and mommy love dey talk truth? Abeg my people, make una try drop una comment. But for me, I believe say wetin Sarah do, she behave mature pass those two old women. Sarah just behave mature there, because you no fit say me and you dey front of court, mo come dey fight. Na there for mumu pass. If Sarah wan lay complaint for their head now, e go lay complaint, their name go dey ground. Una dey front of court. Love, mommy love no talk oh, mommy love no hit. Na Kate we see say e dey hit Sarah. Una think say Sarah keep quiet, Sarah na fool. Sarah no be fool. Sarah no be fool at all. Na Sarah wise pass una now. Una be expect say as you hit Sarah, say Sarah see me, Sarah go answer you when no say prophetess dey ground. You go come still answer una. No, Sarah behave mature 100%. For Kate wey buy ticket from Belgium go Spain, go success, wetin your eye no reach, wetin you no know as e take start, you go there go talk. No be say na you and I know you and Kate, you and Sarah get issue. You and Sarah get issue. No be the issue carry you go court. If na the issue carry you go court, now you for enter court. You for enter inside. You no enter, you dey outside. You buy ticket. Shame. Big shame and disgrace. This one a big shame according to Sarah. You say shame. Now Sarah get sense pass una now. Now Sarah na get sense pass una. Una dey do all this thing because of you. Make they say na una win. Make they say you get view pass. Make people come dey run, dey watch you say, so this woman fit deal with Sarah. Na make una packaging life. All of una dey live for social media. Packaging life. I dey shame una shame my people. My people, abi una no dey shame for Kate and mommy love. Una no dey shame their shame. Una no dey shame their shame. Any small thing, if they no carry ayelala paper come, they will carry person go court. We dey shame for una. So my amazing people, I will leave una for here. Una enjoy the video. God bless you, my amazing people, for your lovely support. Please no fail to subscribe if you never subscribe, and also share the video, like this video. God bless you. See you on my next video. Bye.